As new COVID-19 cases continue to spike in Montana, I spoke Monday with Governor Gov Gianforte about what the state is doing in response. But I also talked with the governor and local health officials about what the state and others are not doing or cannot do because of bills signed into law by Gianforte. Governor Gianforte says the main thing the state is doing to stop the spread of COVID-19 is encourage Montanans to consider getting vaccinated.
9 out of 10 people that are hospitalized now recently are people that have been unvaccinated. So I got mine. They're safe and effective. And if you haven't been vaccinated, I encourage you to go talk to your professional and consider it.
The State Health Department has been running public service announcements statewide on radio, television, and the web, encouraging people to get a shot. Still, Montana's vaccination rate for eligible people is only about 49%, well below the 70% experts say is a minimum for herd immunity. But the state, however, won't be issuing any mandates under Gianforte. And a state law he signed prohibits private businesses from requiring employees to be vaccinated and won't allow those businesses to deny services or access to their premises based on vaccination status.
One of the things we've learned over this last year is mandates don't work. I said from the beginning I campaigned on a platform of personal responsibility. We're going to focus on personal responsibility instead of mandates.
Republicans in the legislature and Gianforte also approved a law that essentially prohibits local officials from enforcing health mandates on businesses, like wearing masks indoors or limiting the size of gatherings.
So at this time, the only thing that we can do is to recommend that people wear that mask in indoor places and to really take into consideration the community at large and provide a way to keep everybody safe. Probably the most important message that's out there right now is that we want to slow down the spread of this virus and get it under control as our kids are getting ready to go back to school.
And speaking of schools, the governor said school boards should listen to parents when deciding what sort of protocols to put in place this fall. But he's not too keen on mandates to wear face masks.
Face masks inhibit learning. They have mental health consequences. And frankly, the potential of severe consequences are really diminished for this younger folks.
School boards around the state will be making that call soon. But when it comes to combating the virus in Montana, it looks like the message from on top is take personal responsibility to consider a vaccine. Reporting from Helena, Mike Dennison, MTN News.